Welcome to L14 Cost. This lesson identifies various types of cost, how to calculate them, and how they are related to each other and to production. We will use this information extensively when we examine the quantity and pricing decisions firms make. This information may be a little dry, but it lays the groundwork for what's coming ahead. I encourage you to apply yourself and to get a good grasp on this material. If you don't, most of the rest of the course is going to be difficult. A student might care because a good understanding of cost is crucial for anyone running a business or setting prices. We have, oh my gosh, we have 11 main points. First, what is fixed cost? Fixed cost is the sum of the cost the firm must pay in the short run, even if output is equal to zero. Variable cost, on the other hand, is the sum of the cost the firm can eliminate when it reduces its output to zero. And total cost is the sum of fixed and variable cost. What happens if you divide fixed cost, variable cost, and total cost by output? Dividing fixed cost, variable cost, and total cost by output yields average fixed cost, average variable cost, and average total cost. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost is the extra cost the firm incurs when it increases output by 1. How do economists portray cost curves on a graph? Economists plot cost curves with quantity on the horizontal axis and dollars on the vertical axis. Algebra can be your friend in this lesson. Algebra often gives you a way to calculate a third cost if you know 2 of them. You remember the marginal product we talked about last lesson? Well, marginal cost varies inversely with marginal product of the variable input. Marginal cost and average total cost are connected. The average total cost curve has a U shape, and the marginal cost curve intersects the average total cost curve at the bottom of the U. Economists define the short run as a time frame too short for the firm to alter the quantities employed of all inputs. All inputs, on the other hand, are variable in the long run. The firm's long-run average total cost curve is typically a U with a wide bottom. Here are 4 things a successful student can do at the conclusion of the lesson. First, a successful student can define and calculate fixed cost, variable cost, total cost, average total cost, average variable cost, and marginal cost. A successful student can graph the average total cost curve and the marginal cost curve and state how they relate to each other. A successful student can state why diminishing marginal product means that increases in output eventually lead to increases in short-run marginal cost. And finally, a successful student can distinguish between economies of scale, constant returns to scale, and diseconomies of scale, and describe why they occur.